Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a crucial component for anyone looking to breathe new life into their Dell Latitude 7410, the FDX40 LA-J261P motherboard replacement. Specifically, this system board comes equipped with an Intel Core i7-10610U processor and 16 gigabytes of RAM, and carries the part number 0 YKPPF or YKPPF. One of the biggest concerns when replacing a motherboard is compatibility. This seller addresses that head-on, emphasizing the importance of matching the part number to your device. They even encourage you to contact them to ensure precise model matching, which is a huge plus for those of us who aren't tech experts. To further ensure compatibility, they offer to verify the correct motherboard part number if you provide your device's service tag. This proactive approach can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Quality is paramount with a component like this, and it sounds like this board has been put through its paces. The seller states that all motherboards undergo rigorous testing, checking ports, connections, and overall functionality. This commitment to quality should translate to a reliable and seamless integration into your Dell Latitude 7410. Installation can be daunting, but the seller offers real-time guidance from their technical team. Having that support available during the installation process can be invaluable, especially if you run into any snags. It's reassuring to know that help is just a phone call or message away. Finally, the 6-month warranty provides peace of mind. Knowing that you're covered for defects for half a year post-installation is a significant benefit, demonstrating the seller's confidence in their product and their commitment to customer satisfaction. If you're looking to replace the motherboard in your Dell Latitude 7410, this option seems to offer a good balance of compatibility assurance, quality testing, installation support, and warranty coverage.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.